Does it get any more American than this?
Not much.
Hell yeah, brother.
Bald Eagles.
Alright guys, so we're checking out our new Ford Ranger, and as you can see, it's kind of stuck in the grass. And there's a lot of stuff in it. Caleb here though, he's trying to pull it out with his strap.
Good thing we brought the backpack.
Yeah, we might have to use the truck for this. I don't think Caleb's strong enough. Doesn't look that bad though. Only rust on the box around the wheels. I mean, it's a little rough, but we're trying to make it nice, so doesn't matter, right? All right, let's see if we can get this out. I'm stepping back. The green one.
That doesn't surprise me because I JB welded it together. Oh, but it ripped. Dang. That's gnarly.
How did you JB weld it together?
Right there.
I think this is what happens when you wall tap too hard. The whole car just, front of the car falls off.
Mustang owners keeping it real since '64. Here, in case you want to grow another person. Got this nice donor transmission here. See, it says Borg Warner Automotive. Obviously the best transmission on the planet. Might need a minor refresh. Here we got truck itself. Sitting there, it doesn't run. Under here,
It's a nice lawn ornament.
we got this minty fresh 4-cylinder.
Woo!
Fast as can be.
All that Merca and 4 cylinders? No way.
I know. All that 90 horsepower too. And the full 220,000 miles to come on it. That engine will no longer be in this truck when we are finished.
Yeah.
Tell you what, most of the stuff on this truck right here will not be on this truck when it is finished.
Yeah.
Take a nice tour of this inside here. As you can see, I'm a large dude. I'm 6'6".
Yeah, let's see this. Can you fit?
See that? Oh yeah. It's
Like a glove.
Oh yeah, we don't even need that transmission back. Comes with some brand new ARP grade head studs. Speeding ticket.
No way. There's no way this 4-cylinder went fast enough to speed.
From 2008. No license plate in the front and speeding.
Dang.
Yeah.
They did it for Dale. That's for sure.
Got a nice checkbook that we're not going to show here.
Oh, why not?
Because I like my bank
There's
information.
Mountain Dew.
Oh, yee, brother. Let's put that in the gas tank and that will add another 30 horsepower. Oh, a nice minty center console here. It always stays open for extra aerodynamics.
Yeah. So considering we're gonna probably rebuild most of this, it's in pretty good shape.
Yeah, it's a start. This one tire here is holding air.
The only one.
Yeah.
Man,
One less
that-
tire we gotta buy.
That dude is a champion.
Yeah, this guy is a trooper.
I think he's just screaming for a burnout.
Yeah, man. Uniroyal, we need a sponsor. Look at that.
What?
Uniroyal, we need a sponsor.
Oh. These will work, won't they?
Oh yeah, dude. Those will do fat burnouts.
Alright, so we showed you the truck. Let's go show you the motor. At least the
there
motor
is
we,
of it.
yeah, what we think is a motor. Dude, there's also this sweet C20 Chevrolet
Housing bench sheet.
with a sweet patina.
This is MTV. This is Pimp My Uncle's Crib here. Got to get this nice shot of this light turning on. Damn,
Ooh,
son.
ooh, mint. So, I told you there's gonna be a new motor, right? Well, scrap that. There's a whole new car.
Damn, son. Whole new body.
Focus. Come on, focus. Yeah, so we're just gonna throw that on the car.
We're gonna body swap the truck.
Body swap the truck.
100% more air.
Put the motor from that in there too. You know, I think it'll totally fit. So, right here we have the motor for the truck.
That's a 200cc Predator motor from '93.
Yeah, come on, man. One, that's a Spiderweb. Two, it's a Honda.
Oh, it's a Honda. Does it have VTEC?
Literally a lawnmower.
190cc, man.
No, for real though. This is one of these two. This is the motor that we think we're gonna put in there.
It's really good at holding boxes for now. Has potential.
Ford
Also has
302.
Yep,
Yeah.
302.
So,
Either
yeah.
the one holding the box or the one on its side right now.
yeah.
We got
This-
radiators for days, brother.
Yeah, we could build like 3 trucks from this garage. It's an old Gran Torino over there.
$500. Do you want to buy it? Apparently,
Nova.
not $500. You wanna buy it? Couple.
And right here, we have the 2JZ of Ford.
Yeah. Got the Ford 2JZ here.
With no turbos. You're just gonna hook an air compressor straight up, put that in the bed,
Yeah.
take a hose to the intake manifold.
No, this is how much boost we're running. How many pounds right here on the side. We got to zoom in on that.
150 PSI. I don't know what internals you're running.
So maybe asking yourself, what are we gonna do with this rundown start over?
Yeah, we're gonna start over, basically. We're gonna start over with this truck. We're gonna make it sweet. Trying to make a high performance, streetable, sleeper,
Drift, drag.
drift, drag,
Street
road
track.
course truck.
Yeah. It's gonna be the jack of all trades.
Yeah, just something cool, fun. We can get better at driving, better at building.
It's gonna be the jack of all trades.
Jack of all trades, or jack of all types of racing,
Yeah.
or Keith.
Yeah, Jack Keith. If you're out there, what up?
So yeah, we're gonna motor swap it, maybe build a cage, lower it. Maybe. I think it'd be pretty cool if we made a cool wide body out of sheet metal.
That's pretty sick.
Keep it with a cool patina, a cool rusty type look. I don't know, I think that's it.
It's like a JDM hot rod.
Yeah, JDM. Yeah, that's the style I think we're gonna go. We're gonna try and make it JDM-esque, but in a Ford V8 truck.
Pretty much.
Everything that's not JDM.
Yeah.
Should get some baller 3-piece wheels and
Yeah.
ship them from Japan. But yeah, I'd say the main focus is probably drifting and street driving for now.
Probably.
Alright, it's funny.
That's pretty much the idea of the build here. Gonna take the old 2.3 out of here. It's about 250,000 miles. Pull that out. Refresh that 302 we showed you earlier. Won't be a 302 when we're finished with it. And yeah, swap that in there. Get that T5 in there. And
Can't wait to take you guys along. Our videos are definitely gonna get better, longer. We're gonna do stuff. So hit that subscribe button. You'll see a pretty cool build on a pretty cool truck.
hopefully.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.